Okay, so here we are again in another video, and today, as always, we are gonna start with Bitcoin. So today we had lots of trading opportunities. Really, I started the day with this trade here, in which when we were around here, I placed break even. Well, it was well placed because we hit break even. Then we went close to TP, but in the end we had a stop loss. We took this previous daily high. The thing is that here I was having lunch, so I wasn't able to trade it. I just placed the trade like this one, and then I saw this one again. I'm just backtesting some engulfing candles, and well, it was perfectly taken, and it went directly to be both of them. Then I took this one here with this engulfing candle, and I had another TP. Here another one. I'm not sure if I trade this trade. I think I didn't trade it. And now I have opened this trade here, as we have lots of liquidity here, not touching the previous daily low. And well, we took it on Asia, but yeah. I'm probably gonna place break even before going to sleep, because of course I don't want to go to sleep with this trade open probably. So EURUSD, we didn't have any trades today, not on London and not on New York, as we didn't take any round liquidity on H4. Of course, on Mondays I don't trade the New York strategy, but we didn't have any trades on my computer is fooled, and we didn't have any trades on the London session either. So yeah, no trades for me. But I'm backtesting. Well, I'm gonna start backtesting a strategy that I'm trying, in which I had in 1 month and a half. Um, 1 month I had 100 and 176 trades and 4683 R. So it looks really nice. Of course, you have to eliminate spreads and commissions. But it looks like it's profitable. I just studied like 1 month and a half, so I need much more data, and I need to backtest it with some Notion. The thing is that what's not going to take me a lot of time is backtesting it, because it's pretty easy, the strategy. But it's gonna take me some time putting all this data and information into a Notion or into some table, and then study it and optimize it. But of course, putting all the information with a table with 10, 15 parameters, it's gonna take me a lot of time, and pictures and everything. So maybe I'm gonna have to try and make it easy in some way, because I don't want to be like a year studying a strategy. I just tested it on EURUSD. It's about engulfing candles, as you can see. I just look for trades after engulfing candle, creating, well, after a low or a high. So in this case, we don't have any trades because it's not an engulfing candle. Here, we don't have any trades because it's not an engulfing candle. But then we create a new low and then an engulfing candle. Usually, I target the high or low to the left, or if it's too close, I just target 1-to-1. Or if we don't have one, in this case, for example, we had this one here. So yeah, we target it, and then as it's too close, we just trade 1-to-1. So another TP. Here again, engulfing candle with a new low, It's not more than 10 pips, so I trade it and well, out of timing here, but we are in time and well, another TP. Here again, in time, again, 2 p.m. engulfing candle after a new extreme, well, a new low, and TP 1 to 1. In this case, we have another buy here after creating a new low. In this case, it's a stop loss. Here we would have another trade, but I just take trades that go with the first trade, and that's why I didn't trade this one. And here we would have another trade, but I think that this candle is too big, yeah, so I didn't trade it. And well, this strategy is really simple. Some days you have like 5 stop losses maybe in one day, but the numbers are really good with just 1 month and a half. So yeah, that would be, I don't know, without the spreads and commissions probably, in this case 22% I think 1 month. I think not sure, but I think so, and it's not even optimized. So yeah, that's what I like about it. I didn't look if on GU we had any trades, but yeah, I don't think so. I don't think so. Gold. Let's see. I didn't see. Okay. Well, that's okay. I expect some range probably. I was looking the other day for something similar, and here we had exactly the same. After a big move to the upside, lower, well, bearish trend, taking the liquidity to the left, as we had here, as you can see, bearish trend, taking the liquidity to the left, and then we've been ranging like 4 years before breaking the past all-time high. So I think we can expect something like that, maybe a few years here around, going up and down, maybe. So yeah, it doesn't look really good, but it is what it is. Bitcoin. Well, let me see the chart. S&P 500 going up, 1.18% today. Nasdaq more than 2.5%. Russell not that much, and then Bitcoin. It looks pretty nice on the daily chart. I think we could go up and take this, break this structure. I'm starting to like it because this reaction here is really good, but what makes me doubt is Ethereum, as we have this liquidity low here, and I think it's pretty clear that it wants to take it. It's a monthly liquidity, so we don't need to, we already took the weekly liquidities here. And here we created some liquidity. If we see an engulfing candle, maybe I'm gonna buy a little bit more. But yeah, if we don't take this liquidity, it's gonna fuck with my mind. I'm not sure how it is. Okay, I'm not sure. Hype up more than, well, nearly 8%, pretty crazy. I just bought a little bit more of Solana today around here, but just a little bit because I like how it's holding its liquidity. And well, we had some good news. BlackRock, I think, is using USDE on something I don't remember, but yeah, it already lost all the up movement, and then XRP. Let's see if we can recuperate this liquidity, this range here. So well, I hope you like it, and let's see how the trades finish. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.